Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Fish Academy. In today's video, I want to show you how to treat your pond. And yes, that is how we do it on this channel. If you are new on this channel, all you need to do is for you to check below this video, click on the subscribe button, and also click on the notification button in order for you to be notified whenever I bring you new video on this channel. There are so many videos on how to do so many things, and it will baffle you. Once you click on the video and scroll down, you'll see that I have touched almost all the areas you need to know about fish farming and a lot more are coming. And if you are new on this channel, it means that you have subscribed to my channel already. And I want to thank you for making this channel your most preferred channel on YouTube as you guys fish farming. So today, treatment of concrete pond. Yes, so many of you have been calling me, putting a call through, telling me on a video I need to make, and I think I've been following, I've been like doing those videos, I've been posting those videos, and this video is for those of you that have called and asked me to post video on how to treat a concrete pond. So this video is actually for you. All you need to do, you watch, you like, and you share, so that other people will benefit the same way you are going to benefit from all that I'm going to say today. And yes, for those of you that followed me from the beginning, you saw me cutting some leaf somewhere. That you saw is a plantain tree, and this in here, ooh, that was cool. This in here are the dry plantain leaves. You can see I just pumped in this water today, and I have to soak it with this dry plantain leaf. For what? This is in order for the pond, in order for the cement not to have effect on my fish whenever I'll be transferring my fish in here. Right here, I have 4 of it, and this are nursery pond, and the 4 of it are nursery pond, and they are going to accommodate so many fish, thousands of fish. Once I ash from you, so you are following me on this channel, you know you've seen my ashery before. So immediately after ashing, I will bring them down here, and this is where I'm going to be selling my fingerlings from. So talking about the treatment of pond, and these things are things you can see close to you, especially if you have a farm. If you have a farm, there are things you need to plant in your farm, especially plantain, bitter leaf, moringa, and lots more. These things are very, very good. And once you have all these things in your farm, you will see that you will not be buying drugs for your fish. You will not be buying things you just get things in your farm, and that is all. And now that I've started showing you guys how to prepare fish feed, there are some things you can even pick from your farm, and you use it to prepare a rich crude protein fish feed. But that is not what I'm talking about today. All I need to talk about today is fish treatment of concrete pond. That is what I need to talk about today. So as I said, these are plantain leaves. You can either use plantain leaf, banana leaf, any organic material at all. Maybe you clear bush somewhere, you can pack them and you stock them inside this water. I put this into this water some few minutes ago, and already the color of the water, oh my God, it's changing already. It's as if I should just jump into the water. So the water is so cool and it's so hot here in Nigeria. And don't forget, this is Port Harcourt, but that is always very hot, and the water is very cool. So as I said earlier, these are dry plantain leaves. Once you put this into water, to treat your pond, you need to make use of this or any other plants, either dry or fresh. And once you pump in your water, then you put the leaves. Some of you do make the mistake of just dumping plantain leaves into the newly concrete pond without putting water. It won't treat, because there is nothing that we take. The water helps in taking the water into the body of the walls, therefore normalizing the cement, so and the cement not having effect on your fish. So you don't need to just put in the dry plantain leaves or plant or anything without putting in water. You need to put in water, and once you put in your water, the next thing you need to do is for you to put in this, and you leave it for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Once you leave this for 2 to 3 weeks, then the pond will be ready, almost ready at that time. And once you've leave it for 3 weeks, and you notice some life inside, like now, if I should show you on my next video, how you see that the color of this water will change entirely to either brown in color, and you at times it will be very, very crystal clear, but it will be brown in color. And once the pond is somehow ready, you will notice some life inside, like a mosquito larva and so many other larvae inside the water, and then you know that the water is somehow safe. That does not mean that it's safe for fingerlings or for your fish. So once it gets to that 3 weeks, what you need to do is that you remove the entire leaves from the water. You can keep it aside, and then you discharge the entire water. Once you discharge the entire water, you pump in fresh water. Mind you, you don't need to put in your fish immediately doing that, because you might be taking a very big risk. When you pump in your water after removing the leaves and discharging the water, and also after pumping in your new water, all you need to do, you pump in your new water and you leave it for like 3 to 4 to 5 days. After which, you go and test with using your pH tester to see if the cement is still reacting negatively on the water. If you are going to have pH 7 or you are going to have pH 912, which is highly alkaline. Mind you, cement is a base substance and alkaline in nature. So these leaves do help to bring it down to pH. Do help to normalize the stuff. So after which you've discharged the entire water and you've allowed it for test maybe 3 days or 4 days observation test. And then you test the water again to see if it's okay for your fish. And once you test that and you see that it's okay, you discharge the water again. I mean, the second water that you pump inside, you also discharge it, and then you pump in fresh water. Once you pump in fresh water, then you now introduce your fish. But when you introduce your fish, don't introduce your fish and go home and sleep, thinking that all is well. No. When you introduce your fish, the following day, you need to test the water. You need to test the water continuously for like 1 week, because you might think that the pond is okay. I'm talking out of experience now. You might think that the pond is okay, and you put in your fish, you go to bed and sleep. Before you know, your fish, they will begin to die. And once you notice that you transfer fish into your concrete pond, and your fish, after some days, they are not eating, know that the cement is already having an effect on them. So all you need to do is for you to remove them entirely. But that's why I said you don't need to wait till that time, because it might be too late for you to wait that time. So you need to be testing your water periodically, regularly, on daily basis, to know if the water is okay or not. So after that, once you notice that the water is okay, then you know you are good to go. This is Fish Academy, and I'll bring you more interesting video. All you need to do, as I said earlier, below this video, click on the subscribe button, also click on the notification button. Once you do that, whenever I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. Don't also forget to share this video with your friends, especially those ones you know that they are into fish farming or they are intending fish farmers. So many of you are in WhatsApp fish groups on various WhatsApp group. All you need to do is for you to share this video with your friends. Share it on Facebook, share it on WhatsApp, share it on different platforms that you belong to, so that other people will benefit from this community work. That let's just do this community work together. Thank you very much. Don't forget, I am Francis, and this is Academy. And yes, my email address, I'm going to drop it. Please just check on the description. I'm going to drop my email there for those of you that have been calling to know my email address. And also, I'm going to drop so many links to different videos that I've done so far, that I've made so far. Also, check on the description. I'm going to drop the link. All you need to do, just go click on anyone that interests you on my description below this video. Click on it, and if you have any question, use the comment box below the video. Just scroll, and then you will see where you can use the comment box. Just drop your comments there, and once you drop your comment, I will reply you. Or anything you need to say, just use the comment box. This is Fish Academy, and I thank you very much. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.
Go and cut. Go and cut. Cut. Calm down now.